In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a SEO optimized blog post. First of all, we are on our Shopify homepage and we click on content and we click on blog posts. I already have one, but I want to create a new blog post, so I click here on the right bottom in the right corner, add blog post, and I create. I then tap in my title. My title has to contain a keyword that I'm trying to rank for. So let's say I have maybe blue stuffed animal. This is the keyword I'm trying to rank for, and I'm going to provide a lot of keywords in this text. You can use ChatGPT to create something. I type in maybe and this can be my question, and I maybe want to write something about this, maybe some scientific purposes. When I rank all of the reasons here, it's important that I include bullet points, which I can do by clicking on the three dots right here and create a bulleted list. And I can create a list right here. This helps Google rank my blog post better. And let's say I actually have a blue stuffed animal on my website. Then I want to click on check out our blue stuffed animal. And then I want to select this and I want to click on insert link. And I want to paste in my link right here, and I want to use the keyword in my link title. So my keyword is blue stuffed animal, and I want to create the link title here. And when I do this, it actually creates links between my website inside internal linking. So that says to Google that my website is actually good, and that makes it rank higher. So after I have written a lot, I make sure it's visible. I can add an image. If you add an image, it's very important that you click on edit right here and you want to edit the alt text. For example, this is an orange stuffed animal, but if I had a blue stuffed animal, I would make sure that the alt text says blue stuffed animal. And that's also when people are using Google to search with photos, that this is important. And you can add a summary of the post. I don't want to do that. It has not so much to do with SEO. Then I want to go in here, and this is very important. This is my search engine listing, so the most important part. I want to add a page title that refers to my keyword. And if I have space for it, I want to add my brand name, Fluffy Friends. And in the meta description, I want to add keywords again. And this is also what the viewer can see in the description when they look up on Google. So down here, I have to make sure that I make an appealing text so that the viewer will click on this. A good tip is to end this off with an emoji. I don't have an emoji, but you can just look at it on Google and maybe type in star emoji, copy paste it to here, and this makes your blog post stand out from every other post on the internet. When you have the URL handle, make sure that it's very simple and it's referring to a keyword. As you can see right here, this is very good, so that's what I'm keeping it. And after I've done this, I can click on save. And I have now created my SEO optimized blog post.